So today I did get my new eyeshadow palette, but I'm just going to continue using this one for now. Today I'm going to use this purple on the lid. Ooh, that's dark. I think I'm going to have to put fake lashes on again. That is really dark. Wow. I just really wasn't in the mood to do a neutral look. Wow, I look like someone punched me in the eye. And I'm gonna go with this for the crease. And of course I'm gonna go into the lightest color for the highlight. And I'm gonna go with the gold for the inner corner. That's this one right here. I got all my nails down. Make sure, okay. Crap. Just to open up the eye a little. That color is super dark. So let me finish my makeup and I'll be right back. Hey everyone, so this is the finished look. I have my Demi Wispies on. I decided to go ahead and do a third look because I was looking at those pretty metallic neutral colors, so I will do that next week with the nude. So I just used the coral lipstick in the collection, and I used number 2. I used the more pinky blush, and I used this white gold on my cheeks and my nose. And this is really dark for me, but I used that on my chin and that on my nose. So next week I will do the last look with this. And we are in August, so by the end of this month, the Fantasy Makers for Halloween will be out. I chopped all my nails off. And the nail polish got ruined. I forgot to fix it this morning. Sorry, but that's that. And I will see you guys next week. Mwah.